Thessaloniki to
3 to get new sails. We are bringing the old sails, and we are trading the kit also for a better price. And we'll get new sails finally.
and to fix the
Old sails.
old sails and also fix the wheel of electric scooter. And that's all.
Yes. We had a flat tire on the electric scooter. After only 2 trips, maybe 3, if we count small ones. We said.
For the clamp clips, this close and the clamp clip not put on the shrouds. DL6.
No, I know. I'm looking at the stitching.
The stitching, you're surprised with the stitching. If you found any nothing straight line stitching, I will give you 1 cent more for gift.
the sails.
It's a main sail. Now this.
Jeszcze
We'll put you. Here is your reef points. This is extra material. When you're reefing the sail, keep it in live, okay? And να τη δουλειά πρέπει να τη δείξουμε λίγο. Remember your old saying?
Uh-huh.
Look at this.
Nice.
Now, then you open this screw, put the button inside. From the end is the back. It's
So
closed
it's
in the back.
from the
the
laugh of the sail, not from the mast.
No, from the mast.
This is the laugh.
Uh-huh.
You opening this. You open this. You put the button, and then the end of the button is here. It's closed. After you put again this, then you give a tension
From this screw.
Okay, not with
Yes. Mhm.
like this. The two full buttons, it's with the same system.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay.
Here is the serial number and the specification, the measurements from everywhere around the world. With this number, you can order a new sail.
Uh-huh. Okay. This is triple stitching, right?
Yes. In every panel, it's double, triple stitch.
Okay.
You will be surprised with your boat, with the performance of your boat with these new sails.
You saw the old sails.
You will see, you will see your boat.
I'm sure.
If you read,
We'll send you pictures.
yes, many pictures. It's very interesting, all the pictures, and very helpful.
I will send you also the YouTube channel to see there when we'll sail with your.
We will make a episode. We had offers from Precision Sales and from Quantum, and we decided to go with you.
And what is the from Quantum and
Precision Sales
Precisions? Where is this?
in United States.
So far away.
Yeah.
And
And we went
why you decide to order the sails?
because you practically are doing almost everything that they are doing in terms of the sales. They have options that I'm sure you could have put, but it's not for us because we are doing cruising, not racing. And
It's very interesting this comments because I'm interested so much for our profile in internet. It's very interesting the comments.
yes,
And,
And,
I want
uh,
these comments in.
yes. I will make a comparison. I will show the offers, and I will tell them that I chosen
Yeah,
the lessons.
and the price from Quantum Sales here in the Quantum from
it's
Greece.
like a few €100 less than your price.
It's nearly all the price. It's
Yes,
similar.
but you were closer. You were
Yes.
in
Yes.
Greece. Yeah.
Okay.
And also we have a friend that also have a boat in Neapăram, a catamaran, and he wants to
I already
come.
told.
I already told him
Ioana.
that.
No, I told Ioana also. Alex.
Yeah, I'm interested so much for the brand because it's the most important thing, the brand of the company.
Of course.
And because internet, in internet it's thousands of companies. I'm interested so much for this, for the internet, because okay, in Greece I know we have many happy customers many years,
But you want to
we
expand?
are almost half of century in this job. I was start when I was 18 years old. Now I'm 66. I'm near to 50 years in this.
In this area.
Happy many years ahead of you. I wish you.
Okay, and this is your old mainsail. I keep the Genoa here.
The mainsail is garbage, right?
Yeah,
So
but you can keep it. You can.
Take it from you, basically. What can we do? Where can we throw it? I mean, I don't want to keep it, honestly.
If you should keep it somewhere, maybe sometime.
You break
Something.
the sail and
Who knows? Maybe in the future you need a piece of material for something. Keep it.
probably.
This is the buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I keep the Genoa for the repair.
okay.
All right.
Yes. Ioana told you to change the
will change.
wire from the
Ioana knows. She told me
the 5 millimeter,
Yeah, yeah.
like we put on the new one.
we'll put a new UV material. We fix all the problems, and we put a new laugh tape rope with a little bit less. Okay, we will fix it.
So we are going to put our Genovese from the cells. Help needed.
Hai să tragem un pic mai așa. Să vedem ca să nu facă jos.